Music is made out of long sound and short sound. Different shape of notes tell us how long or short you should play. Many shape of notes exist, but for now, let's just talk about these three: the semibreve, minim, and crotchet. The semibreve is a long note. It gets 4 counts. The minim is a little shorter. It lasts for half a length of the semibreve, so it gets 2 counts. And the crotchet is the shortest of the bunch. It gets quarter of a semibreve and it gets 1 count. Think of it like this: 4 counts, 2 counts, and 1 count. Easy. Drawing these notes is also super easy. To draw a semibreve, simply draw a circle. This circle, by the way, is called a notehead. To draw a minim, start by drawing another notehead, but this time add a stem. A straight line coming at the side of the note. To draw a crotchet, start by drawing a notehead, but this time color it black. Then add a stem. The most important thing to remember is musical notes are not lollipops. Never draw a stem coming out of the center of the notehead. Instead, draw the stem at the side of the notehead, like this or this. This looks great. Remember, you don't want them to look like lollipops. So, we have learned the 3 main types of notes: semibreve, minim, and crotchet. Now, let's look at the new type of note, the dotted minim. The dotted minim looks just like a normal minim, but with a dot placed after the note. Hence the name dotted minim. This dot is super important. This dot makes the note in front longer. Like we know minim has 2 counts, right? Add a dot and we need to add on half of the value of the note. Half of 2 is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So dotted minim is a 3-beat note. Here is a piece without any bar lines. Let's add some in. As always, start by adding in how many counts each note has. Crotchets get 1 count, minim gets 2 counts, semibreve gets 4 counts, and our new type of note, the dotted minim, gets 3 counts. Our time signature is 4/4, so each bar exactly needs to be 4 beats long. Let's get counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. Here's our dotted minim. So 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, double bar lines. Let's give it a clap, okay? I'll count 4 beats in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! Let's do one more. This time our time signature is 3/4. Let's add in the counting. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3, bar line. And finishing up with the dotted minim. 1, 2, 3, double bar line. As always, let's clap. I will count 3 beats in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Simple. Thank you so much for watching. Send a like if you enjoy it and subscribe if you haven't already. Well, see you guys next time.